On metope 1, a centaur grips a Lapith by the neck while he prepares to strike him a hard blow with a tree branch held in his right hand. However, the outcome of the combat has not been yet decided as the Lapith, who struggles to escape the centaur's deadly headlock, simultaneously plunges his spear into his opponent's belly. The main theme of the 32 metopes on the south side of the Parthenon is the Centauromachy, the mythical battle between the Lapiths and the centaurs. The centaurs, half-human creatures with a horse's body from the waist down, while attending the wedding feast of King Parthenon, close friend of Theseus, became drunk and attempted to carry off the Lapith women.
As dawn breaks over Athens, Pheidias is already late for work. The year is 432 BCE, and he's the architecton, or chief builder, for the Parthenon, Athens' newest and largest temple. When completed, his masterpiece will be an enormous shrine to the goddess Athena, and a testament to the glory of the Athenians. But when he arrives on site, he finds 5 epistatai, or city officials, waiting to confront him. They accuse Pheidias of embezzling gold designated for the temple's sacred central statue. He has until sundown to provide all the temple's expenses and account for every flake of gold, or face the judgment of the courts. Though he's insulted by these false charges, Pheidias isn't surprised. Pericles, the politician who commissioned the Parthenon, has many enemies in city government, and this project is somewhat controversial. The public is expecting a classic temple in the Doric style. Simple columns supporting a horizontal entablature, crowned with a triangular roof. But Pheidias's plans are far more radical by Athenian standards. His designs combine Doric columns with a sweeping Ionic frieze, hosting a vast panorama of the city's great Panathenaic festival.
A group of craftsmen that worked on the Acropolis under the supervision of the sculptor Pheidias. Pheidias, one of the greatest Athenian sculptors, lived approximately between 490 and 430 BC. He was a close friend of Pericles, who assigned to him the general supervision of the construction works on the Acropolis, especially the sculptural decoration of the Parthenon. He made the renowned chryselephantine statue of Athena Parthenos that was placed in the temple. Among his other important works were the bronze statue of Athena Promachos on the Athenian Acropolis and the chryselephantine statue of Zeus in Olympia in the Peloponnese, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world.